Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and configure a data source and data set for the Bold Reports report designer directly from your application using JavaScript. This approach helps you dynamically load data connections without manually configuring them each time. Let's get started. First, let's run the application. As you can see, the report designer is displayed on the screen. Initially, the data panel does not contain any predefined data sources or data sets. Now, let's see how to add data programmatically from the application. I'll open my JavaScript application where the report designer has already been integrated. You can refer to the link in the description if you need help integrating the report designer into a JavaScript application. In the project, navigate to the page where the report designer component is initialized. Here we'll bind the create event, which is triggered when the designer loads. This event allows us to inject the data source and data set dynamically during initialization. Next, let's define the data source object in JavaScript. This includes connection details like the server name, database name, and authentication settings required to connect to the SQL Server database. After that, define the dataset object. This includes the fields, query, and the data source reference that links it to the data source we just created. Now let's implement the onCreate function. Inside this function, I access the report designer instance and then add the data source and dataset using the built-in API. It's important to add the data source first, followed by the dataset. Now, let's run the application again. When the report designer loads, the onCreate function is triggered automatically. As you can see in the data panel, the data source and dataset are now available. This confirms that they have been successfully created and added dynamically from the application. In this video, I've shown you how to create a data source and data set programmatically in the Bold Reports JavaScript report designer using the create event. By using this approach, you can dynamically configure data connections, making your reporting solution more flexible and scalable. Thanks for watching.